Dear student, myself Rajendra Asiri. I am assistant professor in computer science department at Government Bangalore PG College, Daytona. Today we are going to cover some new topic in C programming listed here: keyword, statement, how to write down a statement in C program, how to use comment, what are their uses, means by writing comment, what impact will be on a C program that we are going to study. Next, white space means what are the uses of writing white space in a C program. First topic is C keyword. So these are basically reserved word in C and are not available for redefinition. Redefinition means we cannot use keyword as variable name, as identifier or any other purposes. Means keywords are reserved. The meaning of keyword is fixed. The spelling of keyword, the case letter means by default keyword are in small case letter. We cannot write down them in capital letter. So these are having a special meaning in C program. So here I have listed some keywords: auto, break, case, care, const, continue, default, do, double, else, enum. So these are the various keywords which are used under different concept of C program. Like auto is a storage class, break is a jumping statement, case is used in a switch case concept, char is a data type, const is a keyword which is used to make any variable a constant variable, continue is a jumping statement which is used to escape some component in a C program, default is used in C program in a concept of switch case, do is used in looping concept, double is a data type, else is used in decisional concept, enum is a keyword which is used in enumerator concept, float is a data type, extern is a storage class, for is used in a loop, and so on. So these all the keyword we will be using in different concept, and in detail we will be studying when a particular concept comes into picture. Okay, so some example I have listed here. Next is statement. So how we can say a particular line is a statement in C program? So anything which terminate with a semicolon, anything which terminate with a semicolon mark will be treated as a statement in C program. In this example, suppose char space I have written a character. So char, a character is a variable name and char is the data type. Now next line I have written int data type I comma j. I is a normal variable which is only declared j equal to 18. J is assigned with 18 value, k is assigned with -20. Now next thing I have written printf statement. In this, initially given j equal to 18 and k equal to -20 slash n. It will be as it is displayed because it is output statement. Now next I have written for loop. So for loop in detail we will be discussing when we come in flow control concept or iteration logic concept. Next is, now group of statement is called as compound statement and that are enclosed in a curly bracket. So inside curly bracket whatever written is not a single statement, it is basically a set, or we can say it is a collection of statement or compound statement. Mark the start with starting curly bracket and end with the closing curly bracket. It is also used in initializing a list. Suppose we want to initialize a list of value, then we need to use a set. So in example, suppose I am taking an example. In the first we will be discussing left side example. So int is data type, id 7. Id is name of array, in bracket we have written 7. 7 is the size of array. So we need to initialize 7 values. So we cannot initialize this by a single value. We require group of values, and group of values cannot be written directly in the right side of a assignment statement. So we need to use a curly bracket start, curly bracket close. So here it is a compound statement. float x5, it is also contain 5 values of floating type. Next is char vowel 6. 6 vowels are there and it is a string. Vowel is a string of 6 character. So all are written inside curly bracket. So vowels are only 5: A, E, I, O, U, and backslash 0 is a special character used in a string called as null character. Next is enum. Enum is a keyword, days, name of the, we can say, enumerator, and in bracket we need to write down the various type of enum variable. This mon mon Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we can assign values also. So Monday by default taking value 0, then so on, Tuesday 1, Wednesday 2, like that. Now in the right side, next example is I've written one program, header file studio.h for input and output, some declaration and initialization, j18k minus 20, and variable data type is int. Then this is a message, again this is a message, and here we have done some calculations. So I equal to j upon 12, j equal to k upon 8, k equal to k by 4. So with the help of these calculation, the values of ijk will be updated, and again we can print with help of printf message. With help of printf we are printing the latest value of ij. Now next concept is comment. So what are the uses of writing a comment? So first thing you need to understand about comment is every line which we are writing in a C program will be read by the compiler software. But the lines which we are writing in a C program and we want the compiler should not read them, then we need to make them as comment. Now what is comment? Comment is basically we are writing for better understanding a program, and comment can be written in our own language. We can use two type of comment. One is single line comment and second is multiple line comment. So how to write down a single line comment? I'm taking a marker. First thing, suppose I'm writing hash include stdio.h. This line will be read by the computer compiler. It is used for input and output related inbuilt function. Now before this line, if you see, I have written double backslash 4 double slash 4 printf brackets. It is used for printf. It is basically a line which will be read by a compiler, but we want to avoid this. For the compiler we have to use what? Double slash. So double slash indicate that this is now become a comment and it should not be read by the compiler. Next I have written hash include string.h, and again I have written for strcpy inbuilt function and all the related inbuilt function of the string string related header file. We need to use string.h header file in our program. So now here I have written slash star main function where program execution start. This is a comment of two line. So it is a multiple line comment. Multiple line comment start from slash star and close with the end with the slash star. So whatever we are writing in between slash star and star slash, it will be taken as multiple line comment. If you want to write down only single line comment, then it should start with double slash. Now comma. Comma is basically used to separate two component. So if we are saying that I have to initialize two variable of integer type, then I have to write down data type int. First variable, suppose a equal to 5 comma b equal to 7. So here I have used data type only once, int, but variable, there are two variable, one is a and second is b. So to separate them we need to use comma. Comma is used at many places in C program. First, comma separate function argument, it separate list of variable, or it separate aggregate values. Example, suppose in this particular, if you see int main is function and there are two argument. First is a argument c and second is argument v. Argc is first variable, first argument, and second is argv second. Next I j k, three variables separated with the comma. So anything we want to separate here in printf also message comma I. Variable and message can be separated with comma. Here while initializing array element we have to use what comma as separator. So in enum also we have to use what comma because it contains list of values. So wherever there are more than two components, to separate them comma is used. Next is white space. It is ignored by the compiler. It is counted if used as separator or as component of character constant or string literal. Suppose I want to display my name at screen, Rajendra space Aseri, and I am using for this particular character string. So char x in bracket I am writing 20 is the size of character and size of string equal to, in inverted comma I am writing Rajendra space Aseri, then space will be counted. But if I am writing int I comma space j comma 5, then space will be ignored by the compiler. Space tab is we can say super form of the space. Generally collection of 6 space can be taken with help of 6 space, it will convert it into tab. So that's all from this lecture. In the next lecture we will be learning some new topic.